Something made you pause here and you can feel it. That strange tug in your chest, the sense that you were meant to hear these words at this exact instant. It may look like you simply stumbled upon this message while scrolling, lost among millions of distractions, but deep down you know it wasn't random. Something in you was searching, reaching, hoping, and this message rose up to meet you. It is almost as if the universe, or the divine presence you call Krishna, has been gently guiding you here, watching you wander through confusion and exhaustion, waiting for the moment you were ready to listen. And now, your body is reacting before your mind can catch up. Your breathing shifts, your hands tense slightly, your heart beats a little harder. That's because a part of you recognizes something familiar in these words, as if they are echoing from a place far deeper than memory. So, before you move on, give yourself a moment. Let everything else quiet down, every worry, every half-formed thought, every distraction tugging at your attention. For just a few minutes, be fully here. This might be the most important pause you've taken in a long time. If you feel aligned with the idea of divine timing, acknowledge it in whatever way feels right to you, perhaps with a simple comment or a gesture of readiness. Think of it not as a ritual, but as a way of telling yourself, I'm open, I'm listening, because if you're honest, someone has been listening to you too. You may not have said your fears or your struggles out loud, but they've been pressing on your chest every day. You've carried pain quietly, privately, in the moments when you felt the rest of the world was asleep. Maybe you wiped away tears in the dark, believing no one saw. Maybe you whispered questions you felt foolish for asking. Maybe you felt a heaviness that made you wonder how much longer you could keep going. And even if you felt invisible, your emotions were not meaningless. Your suffering was not ignored. Everything you've endured has been part of a much bigger shaping process, one you haven't fully understood yet. Take a slow breath with me. Fill your lungs, hold it for a second, then let it out. As you do, imagine a kind of gentleness flowing back into you, the kind of comfort that reminds you that you have never truly been abandoned in your struggles. If you feel even the slightest sense of connection, emotion rising in your chest, tears forming without your permission, that is simply your inner self responding to something it has needed for a long time. Share this message with someone else if you sense they might need it too. Sometimes we become messengers without realizing it. Now here's why you are drawn to this message. There are 3 reasons, and while each one matters, the third will change how you see your entire past. First, you have been holding on to a question you haven't been brave enough to say aloud. It lingers in your mind every day, and this moment is the beginning of your answer. Second, within the next few days, you'll encounter a choice, one that has the potential to shift your entire life. This message is here to steady you as that moment approaches. And the third reason, that one will tie everything together. You'll understand it soon. But before we continue, let me say this. When you support spaces that spread hope, whether by sharing, commenting, or contributing in whatever way feels right, you become part of a larger chain of healing. Even a few words of encouragement can echo into the lives of countless others. And if you can't support in any grand way, your presence here is meaningful on its own. Simply being open to receiving this message is already a form of offering. Let's talk about what's been stirring inside you. You've been trying to fill a hollow place with things that were never meant to satisfy it. Success, people, busyness, distractions. None of it has reached that deeper ache. And during those sleepless hours when the world is silent, you felt the vague sense that something essential has been missing. What you've been yearning for is not an item, a person, or an accomplishment. It's a sense of connection, spiritual, emotional, or divine, that slipped away somewhere along your journey. Even if you call it Krishna or God, or simply inner peace that presence has never stopped caring for you. And that longing you feel is the quiet reminder that you are not as disconnected as you think. Now that third reason you were guided to this moment is becoming clearer. Every setback, every heartbreak, every moment when you felt defeated, they were not punishments, they were preparation. You weren't being weakened, you were being strengthened. Those experiences shaped you into someone capable of receiving what's coming. The version of yourself from years ago would not have been ready for the magnitude of what is approaching. Within the next few weeks, an opportunity will appear, unexpected, almost startling in its timing. It may look ordinary on the surface, but something in you will immediately recognize its importance. And yet, fear will whisper in your ear. Doubt will cling to you. You'll be tempted to turn away because stepping into something new always feels frightening. But remember this. Fear doesn't always signal danger. Sometimes it signals growth. When this door opens, trust your inner guidance. Trust that quiet voice that says, "This is what you've been waiting for." This opportunity could show up in dozens of forms: a career shift, a new connection, a creative spark, a chance to travel or learn or rebuild. Whatever shape it takes, you'll know it's meant for you because it will resonate on a level that logic can't explain. You've spent so long underestimating your own potential. You've hidden your gifts out of fear of judgment or failure or the weight of your own expectations. But you are not ordinary. You have something unique within you that the world genuinely needs. It's time to stop shrinking yourself. Speak one dream you've kept buried. Release it into the open, even if only to yourself. That act alone begins to shift your entire energy. Moving forward, there are 3 small things you can do each day to prepare yourself. When you wake up, ask for clarity to see opportunities and the courage to move toward them. Let go of one thing this week that's been dragging you down, maybe a habit, a resentment, or a relationship that drains you. And most importantly, take one small step toward what you truly want. Even 5 minutes of progress counts. Moments compound and small shifts can create radical transformation over time. Some of you may feel skeptical. Maybe trust doesn't come easily to you anymore. Doubt often grows from wounds that haven't fully healed. You don't need blind faith, just a willingness to stay open for a short period of time. Give yourself a few weeks of intentional effort and observe what starts to shift. If nothing changes, you can return to your old patterns. But if everything changes, wouldn't it be worth discovering? This moment right now is a point of transition. Think of it like a window that won't remain open forever. You can let the moment pass, or you can choose to treat it as the beginning of something meaningful. Mark today. Remember it. Come back to it later and notice what has transformed. If you follow through with those small commitments, if you stay open, aware, and courageous, your life could look entirely different in a few months. Not just improved, but transformed in ways you can hardly imagine. You may outgrow old relationships or realize that things you once chased no longer satisfy you. New opportunities will unfold almost effortlessly. Fears that once felt overwhelming will lose their power. This isn't magical thinking, it's what happens naturally when your inner world finally aligns with your true purpose. Don't walk this path alone. Encourage others. Support them as they support you. Community creates momentum, and shared hope multiplies faster than you realize. If you're new to messages like this, consider this your welcome. You've found a space that wants you to grow, to heal, and to rise. Before you leave, close your eyes for a moment.